This may be one of my most important tips. Insurance, what it is and how it can protect you. Insurance refers to uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. That's something extra you pay for under your own auto policy, and while it may cost extra, just hear me out. It covers you in the event the other person that causes an accident either doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance. So for instance, I had a lady who was a victim of a car accident about a year ago. She suffered some horrible cervical and lumbar injuries and actually had to have neck surgery for it. She was covered, she had insurance, but the other driver only had the minimum insurance, which in Louisiana is $15,000. That barely touched her medical bills. She was lucky enough to have insurance, which would be underinsured motorist coverage in that instance, but she only had about $15,000 worth of that. So again, she ended up with $30,000, which barely touched her medical expenses in that case. So my biggest tip is to get with your agent, look at your declarations page of your policy and see what coverages you have and what you pay for, and consider adding insurance. This could come in really handy and be very important if you're ever in a crash. Another reason insurance is so important is that in Louisiana, we have the lowest amount or minimum amount of required liability insurance in the nation at $15,000 per person, $30,000 per accident. So what that means is that if you're in a wreck and you have some serious injuries or it occurs in a death, then the other person, if they have minimum insurance in Louisiana, only have $15,000 to pay for that. And that's nothing. In Louisiana and the surrounding states, the number of people who have minimum insurance or no insurance at all is very high. So protect yourself, get insurance, and make sure you have as much as you can afford of that. Have a good conversation with your agent. We also offer free consultations where we'll look at your declarations page of your auto insurance policy and talk with you about if you're covering yourself the right way. So call us today for a free and confidential consultation.